Welcome to Introduction to Humanities. Let's face it, you are probably here viewing this video because you are required to take this class for graduation. But the question you have to ask yourself is, why do all colleges and universities, big and small, East Coast, West Coast, private, public, why do all institutions of higher learning require you to study the humanities? There are many answers to this question, but it basically boils down to this one idea. Every culture in history was creative. From historical records, archaeological excavations, paintings on caves, we see that cultures expressed themselves, their feelings, and their values through creativity. Most of the advancements in technology, science, philosophy also stem from creative thinkers. In this class, we will look at the fine arts as a material reflection of the values of the Western culture. Artists, musicians, writers, filmmakers, television producers, and directors, they both influence the culture and reflect the culture. They influence values and they reflect values. Although you may not realize it, you are already an art critic. You already express your values in your choice of music, books, movies, what advertisements entice you to purchase which products. By the end of this class, however, I hope you will understand how to view the arts in a detailed way and see the culture in the artistic product. Welcome to Intro to Humanities. I believe you will enjoy this topic and our look into the arts of the Western culture. Nailed it.